cash magnet. Cash is attracted to me. I am attracting cash right now. The cash I contribute consistently returns to me exponentially. Everything I get in contact with transforms into gold. I am prepared and ready to get more money. Money even comes to me in unexpected and startling manners. I have the right to have a huge cash flow. I am open and responsive to all riches life brings me. My activities bring me prosperity. I continually find new sources of income. I welcome a boundless source of wealth and riches into my life. I continually create circumstances that make more cash. Wealth continually streams into my life. I use my cash to improve my life. I have all the cash that anyone could need. My pay is increasing continuously. I am an incredible wealth manager. I cheerfully attract cash in my life. Money is bountiful to me. I attract cash effectively and easily. I use cash to improve the lives of others. I attract cash beyond anything I could ever imagine. Money is the base of satisfaction and solace. My cash works for me to generate a bigger cash flow. I am the king of my riches. I am ready to deal with huge amounts of cash. Money makes a positive effect on my life and the life of others. I am content with having a ton of cash. I can deal with enormous accomplishments easily. Money extends my life's opportunities. I am turning out to be increasingly more prosperous consistently. I have the right to achieve plenitude and success. I attract enough automated revenue to pay the way for the life I desire. I accumulate cash in significant ways. Money is a vitality, so money is good. I realize that cash is an opportunity. I get rich doing what I love. The universe will consistently serve in my best interests. I am thankful for all the cash I have now. Attracting money is a piece of cake for me. I have the right to be rich. I possess financial freedom. I enhance others' lives. The more money I give, the more money I will make. I am under no debt as cash is continually streaming into my life. I embrace money in my life. The more I surround myself with happiness, the more cash I will make. And the more cash I make, the happier I will become. I consistently have enough cash to satisfy my necessities. My ability to hold and develop cash grows each day. I am thankful that I can contribute my cash to the economy. The cash I make and spend satisfies me. I love cash, and cash cherishes me. The universe gives enough money for everybody. I consistently have more cash coming in than going out. I have the right to possess wealth in my life. The money I make is substantially more than my expenses. I am thankful for all that money brings me. I appreciate overseeing and spending my wealth. Money comes to me from the most unexpected sources. I consistently have enough cash. I attract cash to provide for other people. Money is positive energy, and it streams into my life continually. I let go of all my restricting convictions about cash. I let go of every one of my feelings of dread about money. My total assets are expanding. Money streams to me in unexpected and surprising ways. My inspirational attitude brings me immense wealth. I have the ability to attract riches and cash into my life. I realize anybody can be rich, including me. Every day, I choose cash and riches. All the cash I have brings me delight. Money is plentiful, and I attract it without any difficulty. I am content with where I am, and where I am is thriving. Money is boundless, and my thriving is boundless. I have the right to a rich life. I love my plentiful and positive life. The more I give, the more I get. I thank the universe for the wealth that streams to me. Money is flooding into my life. I let go of anything that obstructs my cash flow. I am well off and living on my own terms. I love life, and it loves me back. I deserve a wealthy life. My account is consistently loaded up with cash. There are no restrictions on the cash I make. The more fun I have, the more cash I make. Abundance is always around me. I continually live in solace and delight. I let go of all my negative thoughts about cash. A bounty of cash is streaming into my life right now. I accept that anybody can be affluent, including myself. My riches originate from being straightforward and honest in all that I do. My life is improving and prosperity is coming to me at this moment. I will consistently have all that I need. The universe looks after me consistently. My psyche is an incredible magnet for riches and bountifulness. I am living a life full of wealth and riches. My income is continually expanding. Thank you, universe, for giving me all the cash and riches I need. I embrace each extraordinary opportunity that comes in my direction. If others can be well off, so can I. Today, regardless of where I am, I center myself around that which I need to see. I possess all the assets I desire. I love my life and all that it furnishes me with. Abundance is surrounding me in all that I do. My achievement is certain, and I'm on the correct path. I decide to carry on with a rich and full life. I allow myself to flourish and develop. I deserve all the lavishness I want. I have the ability to make the achievements and generate the riches I want. I am appreciative of the plenitude that I have and the wealth on its way. Every dollar I spend and give returns to me quadrupled. I am a well-off individual who is carrying on with life on my own terms. I am the richest person on the planet.